Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be setting up my Arlo security system, which is the Keypad hub that I unboxed last video. I'm going to be syncing it over Bluetooth, so make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your phone. I'm not going to be going over installing the Arlo app. I covered that in another video, and I'll link that video in the description. Okay, so first, bring up the Arlo app. Alright, we're going to add a device. Okay, security system. Alright. Takes us through a menu. Alright, we're going to connect it to Wi-Fi. Alright, need to scan the QR code on the back of the hub. Okay. Okay. Connect your hub cable to the adapter, plug into the outlet, then click the check mark button. Alright, which I did. I'm going to hit continue. Alright, hold the check mark button on the hub until all the lights start pulsing. I'm going to do that. Alright. They're pulsing. Looks like it's trying to sync. Alright. Select my Wi-Fi network. Which I just did. Not the situation where I got to enter my password. I'll do that real quick off camera. Okay. Continue. Alright, it looks like it's trying to connect. Alright. Found it. Name your hub. That's what I'll name mine. Alright, now it's checking for firmware updates. after updating the firmware. So good. So this is to arm it. So it's armed. And then let's see what you could do. All right. Look like it's still needing to update this thing, but it's connected, so that's good. Okay, so it looks like you got to set a pin to this thing, and I'll go ahead and set the pin off camera. All right. Press to arm it. All right. Just kind of setting this bad boy up. All right, so it's asking me to enter my PIN. Of course, it's a situation where I'm going to do it off camera. All right. So it looks like it's arming it. And then I got to enter my PIN again. So you got to enter a PIN for a lot of things, it looks like. And then hit continue. And then hit this. And then enter your PIN again. So basically it just takes you to the instructions of setting this up, as you can see. And then, yeah. So it's just taking me to the instructions. Press and hold the panic button for 2 seconds. 1, 2. There you go, there's the panic button working. You can hear it. It's not really that loud. Alright, so that stops it. And then I gotta enter my PIN again. Alright, so basically that turns off the panic button. And then I hit continue. Alright, so now it's activated. And as you know, it's a situation where every time you buy a Arlo device, it gives you a 30-day trial. Alright. Set up. That's it. Alright, so there that is. So alright guys, this part right here is just to show you how to set up the all-in-one sensor to the door, and you just stick it to the door. Alright guys, that concludes the video of the setup and the mount of the all-in-one sensor. Thank you very much.